Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to add border to video in CapCut. Let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on New Project. Next, select the video you want to add a border to from your gallery. After selecting your video, tap Add to import it into the timeline. Once the video is imported, make sure it's not currently selected. If you see it highlighted or outlined, simply tap the arrow icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to deselect it. Now, swipe left through the bottom toolbar until you find the option labeled Background. Tap on Background to access customization settings. In this section, tap on Color to choose a shade for your video border. A variety of color options will appear. Pick the one that best matches or enhances your video. Once you've made your selection, tap the check mark at the bottom right corner to confirm. Now that the background color is set, it's time to focus on the video itself. Tap on your video clip again to select it to create the border effect. Use the pinch gesture, pinch inward to shrink the video slightly within the frame. This will reveal the background color around your video, forming a visible border. As you adjust the size, keep an eye on how much of the background is showing. That colored space is your border, so make sure it looks balanced and clean, and then tap on Export on the top right corner. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.